Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today will be a quick tips video on the Kindle Paperwhite. So if you're like me and you get irritated by the time left in chapter notification at the bottom left of the screen and the percentage left on the right hand side, then you're in luck, as both can be removed very quickly. These two illustrations do inform you on the reading progress in the book, but I feel like it tends to divert my attention away from the book, as I find myself constantly just glancing to see how fast I'm reading rather than actually focusing on the book itself. So to remove this, just tap at the top right of the screen and then press the upper and lowercase a's. Then make sure that you're on the More tab, then tap Time Left in Chapter, and you want to make sure that none is selected. Then we can head back to the book, and as you can see, both have been removed. So guys, if you found this video to be useful, I would appreciate if you could leave a like, subscribe and turn notifications on so you won't miss my next upload. Until next time everyone, see you later.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.